Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. In this video, I am going to discuss some important concepts in machine learning. I will write it down here. First one is precision, to recall. Then the next one is F1 score, and fourth one accuracy. These four aspects I am going to discuss: precision, recall, F1 score, and accuracy. So once again, friends, I will be coming up with more videos on machine learning and machine learning math. Please subscribe my channel. So let us get into the concepts. See, to understand these concepts, you have to one thing, you can watch the previous videos on true positive, on true negative, false positive, false negative, these concepts. Even if you don't know those concepts, I will just give an idea on that. See, our machine learning model is we are using it for prediction. If we consider a binary classification model which classifies outcomes into positive or negative, then the different outcomes can be true positive. True positive means our machine learning model predicts it as positive and it is true. For example, it is predicted that a woman is pregnant and she is actually pregnant, then it is true positive. True negative means our machine learning model predicts it as negative and it is true. One example I can give you is like it is predicted that woman is not pregnant and she is actually not. She is not pregnant. So in these two cases, true positive and true negative, our model has done it correctly. But in the next case, false positive, we call it as a type 1 error. Here the model predict it as positive, but it is false. For example, it is predicted that woman is pregnant and actually she is not pregnant. Then the next case is false negative. It's also known as type 2 error. The model predicts it as negative and it is false. The example is, it is predicted that a woman is not pregnant, but actually she is pregnant. So these things, if you need more clarity, there is videos on confusion metrics and these things, true positive. You can watch those videos. I just give an idea on that. It's needed for our to explain these concepts like precision and recall. So let's start with precision and recall. So these are all model evaluation matrices, precision and recall. So first I will define precision. What is precision? Precision, if you understand, it tells what proportion of positive identification was actually correct. This is what precision tells. What proportion of positive identification is actually correct. This is what precision tells. What proportion of positive identification is actually correct? Then I will give you a very important formula for this precision. Precision is equal to true positive we discussed what is true positive, true negative, all aspects we discussed. True positive divided by true positive plus false positive. This is the formula for precision. Or you can write it as it is equal to true positive divided by this true positive plus false positive is the actual result. You can think of the example I have told. Whether the woman is pregnant or not, the prediction and the actual result. So this is precision. Precision means true positive. This is one formula. True positive divided by true positive plus false positive, or this we can also write it as true positive divided by actual results. Actually, precision, as I told, it gives what proportion of positive identification was actually correct. That's what precision defines. Now I am getting into the next concept. It's known as recall. So what is a recall? A recall means what proportion of actual positives was identified correctly. That's what recall gives an idea of what proportion of actual positives was identified correctly. This is known as recall. This is the concept behind recall. What proportion of actual positives was identified correctly? If you need the formula for recall, I can give you the formula for recall. It is, you can write it as recall is equal to true positive divided by true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. Oh, this you will get confused, so I will write it like that. This is true positive divided by a true positive plus false negative. This we call it as recall. True positive, the whole divided by true positive plus false negative. Or you can write it as this is equal to true positive divided by predicted result. This true positive plus false negative is the predicted result. Correct? So this is the formula for recall. So what is recall means? What proportion of actual positives was identified correctly? That's what that's what recall gives. So you understood about precision and recall. But when we get into the details of precision and recall, you need to understand, if we want to find an optimal blend of precision and recall, we can, we need to combine these two. The reason is, see, we always, for a machine learning model, we need high value of precision and high value of recall. But this precision and recall are in tension. That means as precision increases, recall decreases. That means they are inversely proportional. That is the mathematical explanation. I can tell you they are inversely proportional. Precision and recall are inversely proportional. We need high value of precision and recall for a machine learning model. So since they are inversely proportional, we come up with a new term that is known as F1 score. Very important. It is known as F1 score. So what is F1 score? F1 score is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. So what is F1 score? It is the harmonic mean. It combines both precision and recall. How it is not the average. It is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Harmonic mean of precision and recall. That we call it as F1 score. So why we are coming up with F1 score? Because as precision increases, recall decreases. What is the optimum value? So what is the trade-off between precision and recall? For that we are coming up with a F1 score. It is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. So the formula if for precision and recall it is for F1 score it is, see, I can give you F1 is equal to 2 into here 2 into precision into recall, 2 into precision recall, the whole divided by precision plus recall. It's not an average. This we call it as the harmonic mean. We use the harmonic mean instead of a simple average because it punishes the extreme values. That's why we are coming up with a harmonic mean instead of the average value. So now we covered what is precision, what is recall, and what is F1 score, why we are coming up with F1 score. So all those aspects you understood. See, to get more clarity, see, this is the term, this is the way here we come up with true and false. See, actual value, you can understand the actual value is of two types, that is true and false. This is for actual value. Predicted value of two types, they are positive and negative. This is the approach we take. Predicted value is classified as positive and negative. Actual value is classified as true and false. In that way you can understand what is what is this true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. This will give you a clear picture on these type 1 error, type 2 error as well. Now one more term I will define. So I told I will be covering precision, recall, F1 score, and one more term is accuracy. So that's a formula you can remember for accuracy. Accuracy is equal to, the formula is true positive plus true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. This is the formula for accuracy. So you can write it as this as true positive plus true negative, the whole divided by the total. So this is accuracy. This is another term you can remember. So we covered precision, recall, what is F1 score, what is accuracy. all those aspects we covered. These terms, especially precision and recall, are very important. So based on precision and recall, there is another important thing, that is the ROC curve. So in the next video we will be covering ROC curve. So and I will be most probably within most probably tomorrow I will be publishing that video as well. Please subscribe my channel. So this is about precision and recall. Thanks for watching.